Methi Matar Malai is a very delicious North Indian curry and also nutritious and healthy as it includes fenugreek. So today in this video we will see how to make Methi Matar Malai in just 30 minutes. So first of all, take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil in it. Now add half teaspoon of cumin, that is jeera. Then add half inch of the cinnamon stick and 1 bay leaf, that is Tejpatta. When the cumin crackles, add 1 medium sized onion finely chopped. Now mix it well. Then add 2 teaspoons of the ginger, garlic and green chilli paste. Now mix it again and cook till the onions become soft and translucent. It takes around 2-3 minutes. And now we will add all the spices. 1/4 teaspoon of the turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of the coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of the cumin powder, that is jeera powder. Now mix all the spices very well. Now immediately add the tomato puree, otherwise the spices may get burned. Now add the salt as per your taste. Now mix it again. And cook till the oil separates. Now you can see that the oil has separated. Now add 1 cup of the boiled peas, that is matar. Mix it again. And now add 2 cups of the methi leaves. Now add some water in it. Here I have added total of 3/4 cup of water. Now mix it again. Now cover and cook it for 5 minutes till the methi cooks well. Now after 5 minutes you can see that the methi has been cooked well. Now add around 5 to 6 tablespoons of cream. Here I am using homemade cream. You can use store-bought cream also. The cream will reduce the bitterness of methi, and if you don't prefer the bitterness of methi, you can add sugar also. Now mix it well. Now cook this curry for another 2 minutes and your curry is ready. This recipe is good for kids also, especially if you want to feed them methi. So do try this recipe. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you're new to my channel, then subscribe my channel. So I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.